Dear learners, good morning to everyone. Thank you very much for joining us in our platform Moodle at Lounisi Ali University of Blida in Algeria. Today we are going to present our sixth lecture titled What is Data? So I have divided my sixth lecture into the following elements as follows. What is data? What are the main types of data? And language activities including building vocabulary, grammar, and pronunciation. And finally, your assessment including quizzes, tests, and exams. So what is data? Data is a set of values of subjects with respect to qualitative or quantitative variables. So data is raw and organized facts that need to be processed. What are the main types of data? Data may be qualitative or quantitative. Once you know the difference between them, you can know how to use them. Qualitative data and quantitative data. Language activities, the word data. Data used as a plural noun in technical English when the singular is datum, uncountable plural facts of or information, especially when examined and used to find out things or to make decisions. For examples, we collected publicly available data over a 12-day period. It is essential to protect your personal data. Multiple data collection methods were used. Finally, please learners don't forget to take a look at your different types of assessment, including quizzes, tests, exams. Thank you for your attention. See you next time.